to make a WordPress blog using WordPress.com. So go to WordPress.com, click Get Started. Now, if you have a Gmail, you can continue with that. Now to choose a domain name, we have to search for descriptive keywords to get started. So here you can type something like computer basics. Let's use something like MNU CPT 101. And let's see what we get. Okay, so we have few options here. First one is the recommended one, that is MNU CPT 101. Those are our keywords. And that is the recommended one, the .com, which you will get it free for first year, but you have to pay $18 per year after that. But to get started, we just need a free domain name. So we will go and use the subdomain, which is free. But in my case, this is the third option. You can just select mnucpt101.wordpress.com. That would be my domain name. So just select that. And these are the plans available for me to go ahead with. If you see, we can pay monthly. That would be $7 per month, and $14, $33, $59, and so and so. If we check to pay annually, it will be $4 per month, billed annually, which is $48 per year. We can't actually see any free way to continue and go ahead with in this list. But if you look into the description under the choose a plan title, you will see you have start with a free site. You can select that to go ahead with. Once the setup is done, you will be forwarded to this page where you can select your goals, or you can skip to the dashboard, which is the admin panel of your website. But we will follow the wizard. So I'll select that and continue. So in this page, they're actually helping you create some basic categories for your website. So this way it will be really easier for you. For example, in my website, CPT 101, we would have things like maybe Adobe and Illustrator and MS Word, MS Excel. For now, let's click OK, continue. And my blog title would be CPT 101. Computer applications. That would be the title or the name of the course or module. From here, you will be able to draft your first post. That means you can start writing right away, or you can watch some tutorials, and otherwise you can choose a plan or design for your theme. So let's start writing, right? Because we have to finish this today. So here we are going to write basic skills required to computer, and this thing. Okay, so this is a post. We just created a post. Yeah. So let's publish it. Before we publish, we can see some stuff over here, which actually shows us the permalink as well as the categories. Actually, we don't have the categories we created over there, but we can say this is about Microsoft Word and add category. So that category would be created, okay? Yeah. And you can add tags as well. Now you can add featured images. Okay, so yeah, let's search an image from here. Maybe we'll select this one and click OK. That image would be selected as a featured image for my post. Now I can publish this and confirm. So my first post is published. Now I can view post. As you can see, this is the new theme that we have. We can change the theme as well, and we will see how to launch our site as well. Because if you don't launch your site, visitors will not be able to see your site with this domain name. So if you want them to see this without logging in, you have to publish it. Okay. So basically this is the post we created. Now if we want to edit this, we can go and click edit post so that it will open it in the admin panel. For example, this is actually not about Microsoft Word. So the first thing that we want to change would be the category, because we just said MS Word over here. Instead that we can say computer basics, and maybe we will want to change something over here as well. Then we will update and we can view the post. Once you view the post, you will be able to see the changes. For example, the bold style has been removed. And also you can see that the category has been changed to computer basics. Okay, so now let's add a new article again. We can click this right button. In this post, we will be uploading a PDF instead of writing everything in the post. So just mention that and upload a PDF. As you upload the PDF, it will show an embedded version of the PDF, which you can actually change from here. You can see PDF settings on the right hand panel. Just toggle it and it will change to a link. Now if you don't want to see the download button as well, you can toggle that off. And also you can say you want to let the student or the user open it in a new tab, then you can toggle this on. So you can use these options to change it the way you want. First, I want to show how you can insert a file. So go to new line and type / and start searching for anything. For example, if you want to insert a gallery, you can type gallery. And if you want to insert a file, you can type a file. So PDF is a file, so just type file and go to that and upload it. Now, as we did before we publish, we will go to the post tab on the right hand panel, and then we will check the category and see if the right category is selected. If you can't find the right category, you can just type it in over here, Adobe Photoshop. Now if you want to have a featured image, this time we are going to get the featured photo from a different website, which can be pixabay.com. So let's see. Yeah, this one makes sense. You can download it. Your post, and you can just drag and drop it over here to upload it. Now let's Now let's publish that and see how it looks like. View post, and this will be the post that we just uploaded. Now let's change the theme. You have to make sure you select the free option over here and search for something, or just browse in all the templates that are available. Maybe this one looks good to me. Now if you want to make the changes for your homepage as well, sometimes we use different home pages, so we don't want to change it and we want to preserve the homepage content. Instead, my case, I want to replace my homepage content with new theme homepage. So I will select that option and then I will activate the new theme. So in previous versions, we were not able to change the theme designs, but with the new WordPress, we are able to change the full site. So you will be able to edit it as well. So you can just click edit site. The same way you edit the post, you will be able to edit the whole page as well, the whole site as well. For example, previously we were not able to edit menu or navbar, but now you can just click it and make the changes. For example, click, you can go to select menu. From there you can tag main menu or primary menu, or you can create your own menu as well. So we will go to main. So as you can see, we have only home in the main menu. We have to add more items to the main menu. We can do that later on, inshallah. So now if you don't want to see this, you can just click that and remove that from the design. So try to make the changes you want over here and click save. Once we save this, we will go and add new items to the menu. Go to the dashboard and select customize. From there you have to go to menu and main menu. As you can see, we have only the home here, the home item here, which is this one. We can add more by going over here. So you can add posts as well, but that is not ideal. Don't do that. Just go and add either pages or categories. So we need Adobe Photoshop, Computer Basics, Microsoft Word. And then we can save it. Go to site editor and let's see why the menu is not adding in. We have selected the main menu. Yeah. We just have to reselect that. So let's preview the site, and as you can see, this is the URL that we have for a site. We can copy that, open incognito, and see if the visitors are able to see our site. As you can see, if we type the domain, we see a coming soon page, which means the site is not published or launched yet. So our next step will be making it available for the viewers. We will see the recommended option as well as the best alternative and so on. But we have to scroll down and select skip purchase. Again, the same page that we discussed earlier, and we have to click the start with a free website. With that, your site is launched, and now your users will be able to see your site with this link. Let's see in incognito mode. As you can see, the site is available for the public now. That way you can keep on adding new posts for your categories and build your website to make it a beneficial thing. Hope this will help you and hope to see you again, inshallah.